This
No problem.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay, the today's topic is types of integers. Types of integers. Types of integers or types of numbers in Python, or the types of numbers, number system in Python, or integers, no problem. Sir, what are the different types of integers or types of numbers? So what is integer, sir? First question is, what is integer? Integer means it contains only digits. Contains only digits. It is called a it is called a it is called a integer. It is called a integer. Clear? Int or integer, no problem. In other programming language, it is a int. Represents here is the integer data type. Okay, clear. Now, what are the different types of numbers in Python? Numbers are integers. So, what are the numbers of integers? So, what are the different types of numbers? In childhood, in 8th and 9th, 10th class syllabus, the numbers are how many types? And the numbers are 4 types. The numbers are 4 types. What are the 4 types of numbers? Number system or numbers. Same as all the same. Types of number system. Numbers are number system. Number system are 4 types. And what are the different types of number systems? Number systems are 4 types in Python. Okay. What is the first type? What is the first type? The number 1 is decimal number system. Decimal integers. Decimal number system is decimal integers. Okay. The second one is binary integer. Binary integer. The third one is octal integer. Octal integer. Fourth one is hexadecimal integer. Hexadecimal integer. Clear, guys? Up to here, all of you. So what is a decimal integer? What is binary integer? What is octal integer? What is hexadecimal integer? It is also called the types of numbers or the types of integers. 4 types of integers: decimal integers and binary integer, octal integer, and hexadecimal integer. Sir, what is decimal integer, sir? What is decimal integer? Okay, what is the meaning of the decimal integer? The decimal integer, it contains number digits 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9 numbers. Up to 9. Here the total number of digits are the total number of digits. The total number of digits are 10. So base value is 10. The base of the decimal number system is 10. By default, every number is decimal number. Clear? By default, every number is decimal number. Okay, that is the first one. Decimal integer. It contains the 0 up to 9. 0 value, 1 value, 2 value, 3 value, up to 9 values. The total number of digits are 10. So the base value is 10. By default, every number is decimal number. Okay, clear. And what is the binary number? Binary number system, binary integer. It contains the digits 0 and 1 only. 0 and 1 only. Only 2 numbers. 0 and 1 only. Binary. By means 2. By means the value is a by of the 2. Okay. The total number of digits in binary number system are only 2. So its base value is 2. The base value is only for 2. Base value is 2. I will explain one by one, no problem. First listen. Okay. Right here, binary number start with 0 small b or 0 capital B, but not O. 0. Every binary number start with 0 capital B or 0 small b. That is called as a binary number. Okay. In octal integers, it contains digits 0, 1, 2, and so on up to 7 only. Up to 7. Octal means 8 up to 7 only. Here, the total number of digits are 8. So its base value is 8. The base value of the octal number system is 8. Clear? Okay. It's the total base value is 8. Because what is the base value? Base value means the number of digits are 8. Automatically the base value is 8. Okay. And the octal number start with 0 small o. This is called as a O, or 0 capital O, 0 capital O only. That is the octal number system. Clear? Up to here, clear and all of you. What is binary? What is octal? Only it contains the 0 to 7 digits only. That is the total number of digits 1 to 7, 7 plus 0, 8. Total number of digits are 8. The base value is 8. Here the 0 and 0. Now what is the hexadecimal number system? It contains digits 0, 1, 2 up to 9 digits, and A to Z, small a to A, B, C, D, E, and F. Only for 6. These are the 10 letters, 10 digits plus 6, 16. These are the lower case, and both same as capital A, B, C, D, E, and F. And here as a uppercase letters also allowed. Uppercase ABC also allowed. Uppercase ABC also allowed. Now the total number of digits are the total number of digits. The total number of digits are 16. Hexadecimal number system. Total number of digits are 16. So its base value is 16. Base value is 16. Clear? Its base value equal to 16, guys. Okay. Now, and every octal number, every hexadecimal number system, every hexadecimal number start with 0 small x or 0 capital X. This is the basic point. Clear? What is decimal? 0 to 9. Total number 10. Base value 10. By default, every number is decimal number. What is binary? 0 and 1 only. The total number of digits are 2. The base value is 2. Start with 0 capital B or 0 small b. Clear? And octal number 0 to 7. Total number 8. So base is 8. 0 O. It is represented. First letter is 0 and second one is O. 0 and O. Clear? And hexadecimal. Hexa means 16. Hexadecimal means 16. 0 to 9 is 10. And these are the 6. 10 plus 6, 16 digits lowercase letters and 16 digits in uppercase letters. Sir, what is the value, sir? What is the value of this 10? The 10 means, okay, here the capital A or small a means 10. Here the value is 11. Okay, 12. As the 13, it represents the 13. And these are the represents the 14. And it represents the 15 value. Clear, guys? It represents the 15. And if the 10 value means A, 11 value means B, and the 12 value means C, and the values are automatically up to D value equal to 15. Right here. Now, for example, I will explain one by one. A simple example: the value converting into binary number, the value converting into octal number, the value converting into hexadecimal. How to convert? For example, one number is, for example, one number is 120. For example, the given number is, for example, 12. What is that 12? 12 number. Is that 12 is either hexadecimal or octal or decimal. For example, here the base value is 10. The base value is 10. This is called as a base. This is the base of the 10. Here the base of the 10. The base of the 10. Base means represents the value, the below of the number. Now this value is converting into this value, the same value converting into binary, the same value converting into octal. How to convert the same value into hexadecimal? For example, assume that. For example, this is a 12. The 12 value is converting into binary. Now, what is the base value of the binary? The base value of the binary is 2. So that's why it's converting into 2 6 are 12. The remainder value is 0. Clear? Again, the value 2 3 are 6. The remainder value is 0. Again, the value 2 1 are 1. The remainder value is 1. To write the answer, bottom to top. That is 1 1 1 1 1 value. Sorry, 1 value and 1 value. 0 and 0 of this is value 1 of base 2. 1 1 0 0 of base 2. This is the original value 12. The 12 value is converting into other value. Next one, converting into, for example, octal value. Octal value means represents the 8. The base value is 8. Divided by 8 1 8. The remainder value is 4. Okay, no other divisions are not allowed. For example, 8 value, 8 0, so 1. So write the answer in bottom to top. Okay, automatically the values of 1, 4 of base 8. Clear? This is the value converting the values are converting into, so decimal to again binary and decimal to octal. Again one more value for hexadecimal. For example, it is a value to convert into hexadecimal. Sorry, like this conversion is like this. 16 value. Okay, no value 16. Now the answer also equal to 16. Sorry, the answer equal to 12. What is the value of the 12? The value of the 12 is, okay, here the value of the 12 is, here the value of the 12 is, so like this. The value of the 12 is, okay, this is 10, 11, 12. The value of the 12 is C. So automatically the values are converting into 1 by 1. That is the output is C. Here, for example, 12 value of base 10, this is converting into binary value. The binary value is 1110. Okay. And the same number converting into octal. Octal means converting 1 4 1 4. Clear, guys? 1 and 4 value. It means 4 1. Sorry, 4 1 or 1 4. Clear, right? And hexadecimal value converting into C. That means 12. 12 means it is C. Be clear. And here every number start with 0, small b or capital B. So it is a binary number. If the number start with 0, small o or capital O, it is octal number. Here 0, 0, small x of C. So now I will explain one by one, no problem. So the same number is converting into using Python. So now the Python version 3.8.2, the number a equal to here the value equal to, for example, assume that 12. Here the conversion bin of a, the value of a is converting into binary type. Here the conversion process is this. What is the output, sir? What is the output? The value of this is, what is the output? Bin of a. Bin means bin is a function. This function is used to converting the original number into binary number. What is the binary value? 0 small b, 1 1 0 0. Clear? Now here the conversion is octal, OCT of octal of A. What is the A? Octal of 12, the value converting into 0 1 4. 1 4 value is 4 value. Now the answer is conversion like this. Clear? Octal 0 O, 0 O. And hexadecimal, for example, HEX. Hexadecimal means HEX is the inbuilt function. HEX of A, this is converting into 0x of C. The final output is equal to 12. 12 equal to C. Clear, guys? Up to here, all of it. This is the value to converting the other data types into the different data types. Clear? Wait 1 minute. So this is the binary value. Clear? The number systems. The number systems are the types of integers. The number systems are the types of integers. These are the different types of integers. What is the different types of integers? There are the 4 different types of numbers or integers: decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal. These are the 1 by 1. Binary number start with so and so value 0 and 1. Octal start with 0 to 7, and hexadecimal start with 0 to 9, and capital A to Z, A to F, small a to F. It represents 10. It represents 11. It represents 12, 13, 14, and 15. For example, assume that one more number. For example, to some any value. For example, 50 value. The same value is converting into. How to convert the same value into binary? For example, the same value is converting into 2. Okay, 225 jar. Okay, 10. The remainder value. Clear? 50. And 2 1 jar 1. 2 2 jar 4. Remainder value 1. Okay, 2 6 jar 12. Remainder value 0. Okay, 2 3 jar 6. Okay, 2 3 jar 6. Remainder value 0. And 2 1 jar 1. And the remainder value. The output is, okay, 50 of output equal to 1 1. Okay, here the value is 1 1. Okay, 0 0 and 0 0. This is a completely output of the 50 value. Clear? Converting the values into 50 value of binary of base 2. That means base 2 value, that is equal to converting the in Python 0 3 1 1 0 0 and 0 0. Now the output is here, for example, m value equal to 50. This 50 is converting into binary. We now 50. Now the 50 is converting into binary. Convert 00 values. Clear? This is the complete value, 10 value. Just call it the 10 value. Again, one more value for 50. The 50 value is converting into octal value. Octal, here the conversion into binary. Here the conversion into binary. The binary value of 50 is so and so. Here the conversion into octal. Sir, how to convert the octal value, sir? Here the conversion. Octal number system base value is 8. So that's value equal to 50. These are divided by the value for 8. Okay. 8 3 ja, 8 4 ja. Okay. 8 5 ja, 40. 8 6 ja, 48. 8 6 ja, 48. Here the remainder value is 2. Okay. Clear. And again the 8 value. Nothing. 0 and 6. Write the answer. Bottom to top. Bottom to top. Here the output is 62. 62. 62. Not 62. 62 only. The final value is equal to 0, small o, 6 and 2. That is the value. Now on this module, value is 50. The value is 50. Octal of 50. Conversion 0 o of 62. Clear, guys? 0 o of 62. I will explain one more. Clear? 0 o of 62. Now the next one is a 50 value is converting into hexadecimal value. What is the value of the hexa? Hexa means divided by the 50 value is divided by the base value of the hexa is 16. 3 ja, okay, 48. The value equal to. That means indirectly write the conversion this type. Okay, 16 value, 16 3 ja, okay, 48. The base value equal to 2. The remainder value equal to. And 16 value, okay, not divisible, 0 and 3. Write the answer top to bottom. That is equal to 3, 2 only. Here the result equal to 3, 2. Here the final output equal to 0 x 3, 2. 0 x 3, 2. That is the final output. Clear, guys? So same answer. Okay, hexa of value equal to m. Hexa of m answer equal to 0, small x or capital X. The final output will be displayed on the only for small x. Okay, the output is 0. This is the conversion to convert the values one type into another type. For example, here conversion is. For example, one more type converting the values into decimal type also. For example, x equal to 0b, 1011. X equal to 0b 101. What is the value of 1011? 1011 is the binary value. The value converting into decimal and the stored into x. Here value is a binary number. X is a binary number. 1011. This value is completely binary value. It's the starting value because it represents the value 0. Here this number is converting into a decimal value. That means the 2 power of 0. And the value is 2 power of 1. And the value is 2 power of 2. And the value is 2 power of 3. Now 1 into 2 power of 3. The value is 8 plus 0 into 2 square 0 plus 1 into 2 power of 1 2 plus 1 into 2 power of 0. 2 power of 0 means 1. 1 into 1 means 1. The final output is equal to 11. Here what is value of x? The value of x is 11. Clear, guys? The value of x is 11 because x is a binary number. X is a binary number. For example, here one more example. Y equal to 0, small o. That means octal. 2 3 some value 2 3 5. 3 5 is the value. This value is octal value. 2 3 5 is the octal value. Here the conversion is the number is converted. How to store into y? 8 power of 0, 8 power of 1. Okay, 8 power of 2, 8 power of 2, 8 power of 1, 8 power of 2 into 8 power of 0, 1, 2 square. Okay, 2 into 8 square, 64 plus 3 into 8 power of 1 means 8 plus 5 into 8 power of 0 means 1. The final output is equal to 64 into 2, 128 plus 24 plus 5. That's 24 into 5. That is the what is the final output. The final output is equal to y. The y equal to 128 plus 24 plus 5. Result equal to 157. Similarly, the same as the number is divided by the 16, multiplied by 16. For example, z equal to 0, small x. For example, a, b, c. Okay, here, what is the z value, sir? What is the ABC? ABC means A, B, and C. A means what is the value of A? The value is 10. The value of B is 11. The value of C is 12. The output is 10 into okay, right? Okay, 10 into 16 power of the values are 16 power of 0, 16 power of 1, 16 power of 2 plus 11 into 16 power of 1, okay, plus okay 12 into 16 power of 0. That is the final output. The result equal to some value. Here the result equal to some value. Z value equal to 7 value. 16 square into 10. 11 into 16 power of 1 is value. The final value equal to Z value. For example, assume that small value. This is a big value. For example, A equal to 0x 1 2 1 2. That means 1 2 means it is a actually it is a decimal value, but the prefix value is 0x. That's why it is a hexadecimal number. This number is converting into 1 2 1 2 1 2 only, not 12 1 2. One value and 12 value. This is the 16 power of 0 and the 16 power of 1. That is equal to 1 into 16 power of 1. 16 plus 2 into 16 power of 0. 16 power of 0, 0 means 1. The 1 into 2 equal the final result equal to 18. The value of A is 18. These are the different types of conversions from one type into another type completely. Clear, guys? Please wait 1 minute.